If you have a 360 camera and you want to make money from it, how do you do it? Here are my top 5 money-making ideas. Idea number 1 is to create an educational YouTube video about your favorite 360 camera and accessories, and then use Amazon affiliate links in the video description to earn a commission on the products that you recommend. What matters is that your video will solve a problem for people with a similar interest. For example, if you're a motorcyclist and you found the perfect motovlogging setup, chances are there are other motorcyclists like you that are also looking for the perfect motovlogging setup. So you can create an educational YouTube video around how you capture your favorite 360 shots on your motorcycle using your 360 camera and recommended accessories. Then use the Amazon affiliate links to those products in the video description. So when a motorcyclist watches your video and they like your motovlogging setup and want to copy it, they will click through the Amazon affiliate link in the video description, buy the accessory, and you'll receive a small percentage of the sale. And if you solve a large enough problem, then those small percentages will really add up. You will need at least 500 followers to sign up to the Amazon affiliate program, and the fastest and easiest way to do this is to keep making videos that solve a problem for people with a similar interest. Idea number 2 is to create virtual tours for local businesses in your area. You will need a 360 camera stand like the Best 360 monopod to take the photos and virtual tour software to host the tours. Go to Google, search for event spaces, conference spaces, wedding venues, and even independent hotels near you. Visit their website and check if they have a virtual tour. If they don't, send them an email saying, I can help you, number 1, increase your Google search ranking above competitor X, Y, and Z. Number 2, build customer confidence quickly. Number 3, increase inquiries. And number 4, ultimately increase occupancy with a one-time investment in a virtual tour. This is definitely by far one of the easiest ways to make money in 360 because your customers are business owners, and business owners are always looking for new ways to attract new customers to their business, and you can help them do that. Idea number 3 is to create 360 stock footage. On the Pond5 homepage, which is one of the most established stock footage websites, one of the most popular keywords which is trending right now is 360 VR. There is demand for stock footage from popular cities and tourist destinations. Grab a 360 camera stand like the Best 360 monopod, go to your nearest big city or tourist attraction, and capture at least 1 minute of video at iconic places. The more 360 video clips you capture, the higher the chance of making a sale. Upload the 360 video clips to Pond5, and over time, a company or content creator will buy the footage to use in their own production. You'll notice that a certain type of stock footage in a certain location is making more sales than the rest of your stock footage. Then you can go out to the same location where you're making a lot of sales, capture more footage in that area, and your sales will increase. Idea number 4 is to create virtual reality videos. Imagine a married couple being able to watch their wedding ceremony back from a guest perspective in a VR headset. The workflow is pretty straightforward. Grab a 360 camera stand like the Best 360 monopod, record a couple of minutes at key points in the ceremony, compile all the footage together into a 360 wedding highlights video, give the couple a cardboard VR headset so they can relive their special day using their phone. You can also help a corporate company create a VR training video, a tourism board create a virtual tour video, or a news channel create a VR documentary video. Idea number 5 is Reframed 360 video production. Businesses want to stand out on social media, and a 360 camera can capture impossible angles which your phone and mirrorless cameras cannot. So use your creativity to offer businesses drone-like shots in a no-fly zone, hyperlapses, time-lapses, third-person view shots to bring their business to life like never seen before. I've personally been able to do this with a few large businesses in the UK. So how do you go about finding clients? You don't. You attract the clients to you. Your social media is a portfolio of your skills and work. You need to show the world what you can do with a 360 camera, whether it's on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok. There are marketeers from large businesses online every day looking for new ideas and new people to work with. Make it very clear in your bio that you are open to client work. And if businesses want to work with you, they will message you. That's all the ideas for today. I hope you found this useful. Drop a comment if you have a question, and I'll see you in the next video.